It's cooking time. I'm gonna cook chapchai. Okay, to cook chapchai today we need water. That's water, an egg and oil, and then chicken powder, garlic, chili, sugar, white pepper, soy sauce, kecap manis, corn flour, and then oyster sauce, and then dice carrot, cauliflower, brocolli, and diced chicken, cabbage, and spring onion. That's what we need for today cooking. So here are the ingredients that I mentioned before, and then maybe you can pause the video and write the recipe. Okay, the first step will definitely boil the water and basically just put all of these things such as cauliflower and carrot and broccoli, boil them and until it's soft. Depends on you guys how soft you want it to be. For me, I just not that soft because I want still the texture, and it's better if it still have a texture. So maybe roughly about, I don't know, 3 minutes. Yeah, kind of 3 minutes. And then just strain, get rid of the water, and then set aside. We're gonna need it for later. Okay, let's start cooking. Yeah, first I prepare the wok, of course, definitely, and then this oil. First, of course, oil. Cook the garlic first. You can use fresh garlic or paste one, but I already made my own garlic paste, so I'm using it. And then next is chili, just 2, or if you wanna more spicy, you can add like 1 more chili or 2 more whatsoever, whatever you want. And then egg, just scramble it and then wait for the next step. As you can see, it's the garlic's becoming brown because it's too hot, so I reduce the heat. Mix them after you cook the egg, and then just reduce the heat. And then here is the water, and then you have to mix it with the corn flour. So this is a thickening agent for your chapchai, for the chapchai broth. Just mix it, and then later on you will need another 1 tablespoon. But you can add it now, because when I was cooking this, I didn't know that it's gonna be thick enough. So basically it's preference. If you want a thick broth or not, it's up to you, but for me, I want it thick. I'm gonna add the chicken stock powder, white pepper, and salt. Soy sauce. Oyster sauce. And kecap manis. Kecap manis is the sweet soy sauce. The famous brand in Australia you can get in that store. It's ABC brand, or you can get it in Asian store. And then add cabbage. So for the vegetables, it's basically up to you if you want more or if you want less. And then add the veggies that I boiled before. Not we, because I'm cooking this by myself, not with you. You just watching this video. And then spring onion. Okay, from here, just like I told you before, I cannot see if I don't really see that the broth is a bit like thick, so that's why I'm adding another 1 teaspoon. But you can add it with the water earlier. So yeah, so basically after I add 1 tablespoon of 1 teaspoon of corn flour, it's quite thickened. So that's what I want, but it's preference, up to you. I like it thick. So cook for at least another 1 minute. Don't cook it too long because we already boiled some of the vegetables, so we don't want that more soft. You still want the texture, that texture from the vegetables. Okay, done. You can transfer them to the bowl or to plates. Okay, the next step is cook the chicken. So here I just a little bit dash of salt and pepper, and then prepare the wok with the oil and then cook it. And here some people cook the chicken after they cook the garlic and the chilli, and then after that they cook the egg in the beginning of the cooking section. But in here I prefer to cook it separately because I want it a bit on the outside, like a crunchy on the outside. Yeah, so it depends on you guys, but for me I prefer it this way. So as you can see, there's like a char marks, like a crispy on the outside. And this is how I serve it with rice. Yes, always rice, rice, rice. Okay, done for this video. Showing you how to make chapchai. It's healthy vegetables full of fiber and some fat, maybe. Yeah. Thank you, and please subscribe for more other video, yummy Indo food or any other food. Bye.